What's up, y'all? I'm gonna start off with talking to y'all about a few things, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna talk to you about my home defense setup that I got going on. Got two 9s, AR pistol, and a Glock. It's my Glock 19, red beam on it, very reliable. No jams, no issues. It's a great gun. I'm liking it, shoots well, very accurate. It also is compatible with my AR9 that I have right here. And this is the Brigade BMF9. This is it's a pretty handy weapon. It's not a lot of recoil in there, not a lot of kick, so it's a great control for females, teenagers, anybody learning to shoot, practice, or anything like that. This is a great weapon to start off with. It's small. It's not that big. It's a 5-inch rail. It holds 3 different other type of rail attachments, from the K rail and the M rail. So it's pretty expandable with the attachments. It fits Glock 19 and Glock 17 mags. It's a Glock 19 mag right here. Fits perfectly inside. I also have a Glock 17 mag right here. One that came with stock. So they both fit, and it holds 2 types of 9 mags. Get you some modified ammunition. These ain't no ordinary full metal jackets. These are extreme self-defending rounds. You gotta do your research on that, figure that. It's also compatible with the extreme self penetrator round. So research that, look that up. Can't talk too much about the bullets, but these two pieces, these two 9s, great, reliable. No issues, no problems, no jams coming from either one of them. I've yet to put any real attachments on the AP, but it's coming soon. Just hold it in there, wait on it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be going to the gun range more often to shoot some various items and assault rifles and pistols and stuff. Watch my videos and tune in to see what I got next.